Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Google Chrome cannot download error. So if you are trying to download a file, for example, on Google Chrome, and it keeps on saying that it cannot download it, I'll be showing you how to fix that. By the way, you want to ensure that the file that you're trying to download, you're certain that it doesn't have any virus or it isn't coming from a malicious website. As with these steps, you'll be able to drop your Google Chrome security, in particular just to download that file. The first thing you're going to do is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the three dots right beside your profile name. Then you're going to select Settings. After selecting Settings, you want to go over to the left hand corner and tap on Privacy and Security. Once you have selected Privacy and Security, you are going to tap on Security. And from here, you are going to scroll down and you will see at the moment it is set at Standard Protection. You want to toggle down and you're going to tap on No Protection. Then you'll tap on Turn Off. After doing this, you will simply go along and download the file that you were trying to download. Once you have downloaded the file, I would recommend that you follow these steps again and come back into this section, then tap again on Standard Protection, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.